Hey, I'm back. Hey, I had to put a couple more, see, I got my little wrench here. Craftsman, made in America. Oh, yeah, betcha. Anyhow, I had to put a couple more of them motherboard set-offs in there. They had 6 of them already installed for me, and I had to put 3 more in there because I got a big board. I got a big ATX size board, whatever the heck you call it. It's a big board. So I had to stick another 3 in. I'm out of them. I got that done. Yeah, all right, now it's time to put this, power supply time. You betcha. Yeah, all right, we're gonna whip this sucker out and put that in. Time to get that down in there. I'll go on the bottom. Gonna go right down in here, where my hand's at right there. That's where it's gonna sit. And we're gonna do that right now. Whee doggies, you betcha we're gonna do that right now. Yeah, here we go. Get her out of the box, and yeah, go over there, see your box. Darn right. Ooh, don't fall out on me. Hear the echo? That's it going up my chimney. That's my hacking cough going up my chimney there. All right, there we go. We're gonna mount that baby in there. You already done seen the video on me unboxing this thing here, so we're just gonna whip her out. We're just gonna whip it out, and we're gonna throw it in there. Yeah, darn right we are. Okay, come on now. Get out of there, you. Get out of its little velvet pouchy too. You can hear some voices in the background. I'm listening to my buddy Kerry Holzman out in Arizona. He's the one that got me. He's the one that got my buddy get out of the boat cab. They got him involved in all this shenanigans here building computer. He's the one that inspired me to do that. Darn right, man. Anyhow. Okay. Okie dokie. I'm gonna have to get the old twisty tie off of here in a little silica bag of stuff there, keep it from getting moisture in there and stuff. And which way do I go here? That's usually the hardest part. There we go. Got you. Stick you back in your box. Get over there. All right, now we got the wire. Got the wires all freed up and ready to go. Yep, I think that's a power supply if I'm not mistaken. Yep, CPU power supply. There's your motherboard, 24 pin, plus these little ones here. It kind of snaps right in there, don't it? You got a little snappy snap thing in there, and this one goes right next to it. Anyhow, not sure if I got mounting screws with this. I sure think I did, but I don't remember now. Let me dump all these cables out. Oh, wait, there we go. Yeah, there's a bag of, I hope they're in there. My eyes ain't too good. I don't need these gloves on. These are just for static, in case I got static around that motherboard, or somehow they're highly susceptible item to static. There's my case badge. Oh yeah, powered by Corsair. Yep. Yeah, I'm looking for the screws though. There they are. I found them. There they are. There they are. Yeah, there's my screws. Okay, got my screws. Got my zip ties. Put all that junk back in here. Get it out of the way. And anyhow, get all this junk out of here. Yeah, put you over there. Yeah, put you over there, and we're gonna get to screwing this thing up. Hey, if anybody can screw something up, it's me. Darn right, man. All right. Anyhow, we're just gonna stick her down in there. Oh, gotta get more stuff to get out of here. On my workstation, don't want a cluttered up workstation full of stuff. No, you don't. So we'll get all that junk out of the way. We'll get back over here, go to work. Anyhow, get all your wires out of the way for my fans and other things and stuff. And we'll stick that right in there. And this case has got little rubber thingies. Little rubber thingies. Boy, I fit snug right under that thing, that's for sure. Very snug under that thing. It's almost so snug it doesn't want to go on the rubber feet. Oh, is that the first problem I'm going to run into here? Oh, I see. I see. I'm just going to gradually slide it up. Gradually slide it up. Got it as far over this way as I can get it. I don't know if I can push up on that. Yeah, it's going up and over. It's going up and over just fine. Just fine now. Yeah, we'll get this lined up over here. Got her just about as far back as I want her. Okay, so she's about right where I need her, right there. We'll turn this around, give you a little bit of a view, better angle at this back side now, what it looks like. Yep. And there, let's see, screw holes, can you see anything? Yeah. Hey, we got the light. Oh, it's got to go a little bit inward. Oh, right there. Oh yeah, got all the screw holes lined up right there. Looking good. I'm gonna turn it around a little bit, make sure, see what happened inside here. Probably nothing. Nope. All looking good. It's all looking good. In there right where she's supposed to be, right there. Alright, copy. Alright, turn around. Dump the screws, didn't get my 4 screws out of here. Dump them out, don't try not to let them roll too far and lose them. Alright, start out with 1 screw in 1 corner. Start out up here, let's say. And we'll screw it in part way. Alright, and then we'll go down the opposite corner. Kind of use the same principle like when you're mounting a wheel on your car, you know, when you just go to the opposite, or about the opposite as you can get, and start over there so you can get this thing lined up just right. Alright, and get another one started up here. Yep.
Like this. And line those holes up. But these little...
Yeah, I'm listening to Corey and Carrie in the background there. Yeah, he's putting his computer together. Oh, he already done did it, but he's the one that got me into this thing here. I'm glad he did. I'm having fun here. Anyhow, got their fourth and final one in, and we'll get her in there, and we'll start snugging them up now. We'll start to snug them up now.
Push it out.
Anyhow.
And that's just a little piece that holds a regular hard drive. You might want to put those away in case you want to use this tray for a regular hard drive in the future.
Alright.
We can take our drive with the
nice and snug. Not over snug, but just snug.
And just place it on top.
Not over snug, but snug. Yeah, I got a habit of over snugging things till the head snaps right off the screw, and I go, whoa, I think it's tight enough. There you go.
And put the screws in.
Alright, I don't know if that's on or off. I might need to figure that out before I go to plugging it in and I smoke her. Before my time. I don't want to do that. Nope. Alright, Ziploc baggie. Got Ziploc baggie, I got baggies all over. Alright, well, there you go. Got her mounted. Hey, got another step done in the process. Alright there, Yep, that's my Corsair HX750 semi-modular power supply. Gonna run my unit. That wasn't so bad, was it? Alright, we'll be back after a while. Take it easy. Bye-bye.